Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this BMW Z4. So from any screen, we'll click on Nav. You get the screen like so. If we just knock that across, the menu comes across. So you knock the eye control across to the left-hand side of the car, and then we just navigate to destination input. There we go. It's on postcode there, but if it's not, just turn the eye control onto postcode, click postcode, and then it's got the thumb wheel, which is great. So PR, then we need numbers and symbols. So that's this one at the bottom. It's next to OK. Click on that, and then with PR5, 4, we go back to letters. Again, that's the letters one at the bottom next to the OK. You have to click OK, and then JS. PR5 4JS, Preston, Lancashire, Wantleydale. It's the same thing. Click Wantleydale. That's it. Then turn the wheel down to accept destination if that's okay. Click on accept destination. Click on start guidance.
Please follow the road.
That's it. It's as simple and easy as that. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system. So from any screen, if you click telephone, when there's nothing paired to it, it's saying Bluetooth devices there. Click on Bluetooth devices, and you've got two phones which you can either add a new device or go down to and select a phone. I'll select mine, Barry's iPhone. If we knock the control over to the right, you'll see there you've got the choice: split screen, close control, my phone, configure device, remove device from list. So down to remove device from list, click on that, and it's gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out here at the bottom, but go to telephone. You've got here at the top add new device. We'll click add new device. Please use your Bluetooth device to start search for Bluetooth devices. The vehicle will identify itself as BMW 94101. Well, there it is. So we'll click on that. Now we have to put a passkey in. So the rotary controls come up again. I'll just put 000 in. Okay, so 4 noughts. You have to click OK as soon as you put the number in. So 4 noughts. Click pair. Allow your contacts and favourites to sync. I won't be using the car again, so I won't allow, but you would. And it's connected. Now you also see here telephone, data transfer and audio. They've all got ticks. If there's no tick in audio, you won't be able to stream music from your phone. So that's all the ones we want there. Go down to the bottom, click OK. You just have to accept that if you use data services, it's going to cost you money. So that's it, that's all done. Now, great thing, if we go to music, a tune here, I will, let's say, No Time to Die. I will just turn this down so it doesn't come on blasting. But then we click CD. Go to CD, and you see there it gives you choice. If you've got anything else connected, like in the USB or a card or anything, or auxiliary, but Barry's iPhone, so it's on Barry's iPhone, that's what it's going to play. This is playing. I will turn this up, and I'm doing this purely and simply so I've got control of the music and I can knock it off quick. Otherwise, if it's on too long, YouTube will knock the soundtrack off of this video. Oh, sorry, it's just at the end there. We'll just knock that down, fast forward a little bit. There you go, it's playing. So that's how you stream audio as well. People also ask me if you can use any other things like Amazon Music or Spotify. Well, if you go to Spotify, or if I go to Spotify here, There's a tune playing there. Just click on it. If I turn it up, there you go. It's plays Spotify as well. So great system in this BMW Z4.